Ma'am, please, I would like to invite you on the stage. Please come here and tell us more about the mission and impact of Human Necessity Foundation. आप सबकी भरपूर तालियों में मैम फौजिया
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you all so much, mashallah. What a beautiful, elegant evening this is. सबसे पहले तो शुक्रिया अदा करूँ डॉक्टर मोहम्मद जाहिद का, नाज़िमा आपका। मैं ये स्मार्ट करके जस्ट से घबरा बहुत शुक्रिया डॉक्टर जाहिद आपका, नाज़िमा आपका. You know, I called them just out of the blue through a friend of mine, and I was just so pleasantly surprised. They were both so receptive and so kind, and it sounded so genuine in wanting to help our cause. We are basically not a very old organization. The Human Necessity Foundation was only 3 months old, registered in the US as a 501c when my nephew, the late Junaid Sheikh, died in that air crash. It was a huge blow to the family and to all the people across the Islamic world who really cared and loved it. The charity was in its infancy at the time, and Junaid was only able to raise funds at a mosque in Dallas for 2 water stations. 6 years down the road today, alhamdulillah, we have over 800 solar-powered water stations all across the world. Allah has been very kind. It is a great cause, as you all know better than I do. When the Prophet was asked 3 times, he said, "Money is the greatest circle here." You know, Pakistan, all of the subcontinent is really, there's such a huge scarcity of water in that part of the world. People do not have access to clean drinking water. And you know, I have been a social activist, and I have traveled the length and breadth of Pakistan. And believe me, it's not an exaggerated statement. With my own eyes, I have seen and I have witnessed children, men and women drinking water from a dirty pond, the same pond where there are dogs and cats also drinking water from the same kind of water. And it was heartbreaking. So this is something, you know, that Junaid, obviously he used to travel a lot in connection with this, the BE program. And he saw this and he wanted to do something. और आप देखिए अल्लाह की क्या मर्जी हो रही है. आज Junaid हम में नहीं है. Junaid एक ऐसी लेगेसी छोड़ के गए, एक ऐसा सबका जानिया का काम छोड़ के गए कि आप बिलीव कीजिए, मैं समझती हूँ हम में से जो भी अपना इसमें जितना भी हिस्सा डालते हैं, ये बहुत नेकी का काम है और अजर और सवाब अल्लाह की तरफ से. Every little bit counts, and the solar panel stations that we have, obviously they generate their own electricity. We train the villagers wherever it is the prerogative of the donor, wherever you want to install a well, that's where the well is installed. And of course, the process takes like 3 to 4 months from the time that it starts and the water samples are collected and then sent to the Pakistan Research Council on water to see what kind of toxins there are in the water, to clear the water of all the impurities and make it drinkable. There are thousands of water-related diseases that are being cured. Alhamdulillah, because so far as we know, Human Necessity Foundation has been declared as one of the best water charities in Pakistan. There is an organization in the US, it's an independent NGO, it's called the Charity Navigator. And I do request you also, when you have a moment, to check this out. They monitor and try to regulate all charities that are functioning in the US and collecting funds. They want to see what the transparency is like. They want to see what the expenses are. They want to also make sure that the money which is being collected for a certain specific cause, it is being applied to that. And alhamdulillah, last year, they gave the Human Necessity Foundation 4.64 out of 5. And we are a new charity. So alhamdulillah, the work is being done on the ground. The CEO of our organization, Captain Javed, is not here tonight because he is in Toronto. He's been unwell and he was not able to make it to the event. But Ubaidullah, who's here, young volunteer of ours, and Dr. Tahir is another volunteer. They both came from New York and I came from Washington, D.C. this morning. So to tell you very briefly about our program. So these are water stations. The largest water station is for $30,000. It has 6 units in it, 6 water plants for reverse osmosis to clean the water. And these 6 supply of water to at least 150,000 people on a daily basis. This is the largest station. The medium size are 3 units in one station. That's for $15,000. And then a single water well is $6,000. These can all be dedicated to the memory of a loved one who's no longer with us or someone who's living. ये तो सबका जानिया है जिसके भी नाम से लोग पानी पी रहे हैं. I'm sure you guys realize, you all know. ना तो वो मेरे रिश्तेदार हैं जी, ना वो आपके रिश्तेदार हैं, बेचारे गरीब लोग हैं जिनके पास एक बेसिक ह्यूमन नेसेसिटी जो कि पानी है वो उनके पास नहीं है. बेसिक राइट्स अल्लाह की तरफ से कुरान में भी पानी का इतनी दफा जिक्र किया है. तो लिहाजा उन लोगों को साफ पीने का पानी मिलता है आप लोगों की contribution से. I know that donor fatigue settles in, and mashallah, I have been to Michigan many years ago. I was trying to raise money for Shaukat Khan Cancer Hospital. I was with them for 25 years. The hospital was not even on the ground, and we only had architect plans. And I used to travel with Imran Khan. We used to just go to private parties and go to different cities and tell people about the hospital. So, I know how great a cause that is as well. और हम तो बहुत थोड़ी I was only trying to say this to you कि ये हम एक नई charity है और मैं बहुत really grateful हूँ डॉक्टर ज़ाहिरा आपका और नाज़मा का और आप सब लोगों का कि आपने वाकई वक्त निकाला और हम लोग आए हैं because पूरे साल तो ये events होते रहते हैं and you are a generous community, I know that. So please इसको आप आज एक purpose से यहाँ मौजूद हैं and please consider this opportunity. There is never any pressure to donate. And donation is not an amount, it's a principle. It's between us and our Allah. Because everything that we have, everything that we wear, we eat, we drink, we breathe, our children, our homes, all of it belongs to Allah. And then Allah wants us to share. And the point is that when someone asks you, that is the time for you to consider it an opportunity. And alhamdulillah, we are alive, we are healthy, we are able to help. So please, like Nazma said, there are all these pledge forms on your tables. Please look at them. Please help howsoever you can. And Imam Sahib is here from New Jersey. He will talk to you as well to inspire you, which you are already inspired, I know. But it's always good for us. Reinforce होते हैं ideas, हम भी सीखते हैं. तो please आप लोग इसमें contribution कीजिएगा. उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह बहुत beautiful आपके ये program है. Ahmed Jazi is a first class artist. We engaged so much too. We all had a very good time. Everywhere we went, people have really liked it. So you will enjoy that also. And thank you so much for your attention. God bless you.